Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix paper jam in Brother DCP-1510E. First, if you see paper jam message on the display, you need to open the scanning unit. To do this, just push it up and lift until it's fixed in the place and rest on this stick. You may see jammed paper sticking out of here, so you need to grab it with your fingers and pull towards you. But if you can't remove the paper with light effort, it means it's stuck somewhere inside, deeper inside, and you need to check one more spot. So open this black cover over here, like this, and now remove the cartridge. Just grab the handle and pull towards yourself. And now look for the jammed paper over here under these rollers, and also you can reach there under the cartridge and try to remove paper from this side. But if it's stuck too strong, don't try to use any sharp tools like knives, like awls and so on. It's better to go with this printer to the service center in this case. After you remove the paper, place the cartridge back. Just turn it like this so that the logo is facing you, and make sure these details on both sides are matching with the grooves inside the printer. So like this, and glide the cartridge down, push it to the end like this, then close this cover and slightly push the scanning unit so that this stick is moving freely. Close the scanning unit and continue using your printer. To avoid paper jam, use only the paper suitable for this printer, and this is plain paper, letter size or A4 formats. Also, do not overload your paper tray. Leave at least 1 mm gap between your paper stack and this limiter in the paper guides. And of course, do not put crumpled, torn or dumped paper in the printer, and everything is gonna be all right. So guys, I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.